YAMAHA with smart key. Olaf key lost. How to use MotoPro calculate the password and match the new key with the platform.
Connect SU to MotoPro correctly according to the wiring diagram. Open MotoPro software to read data. Choose IMMO data, YAMAHA. Load file, calculate password. Select calculation. Password calculation successful. Let's use the matching platform. Programming key. Open new key. Long press the password input button until the light flashes. Release the button. Long press password input button again until the light flashes. Release the button. Long press password input button again until the light flashes. Release the button. The light is always on. Enter the password. Long press the password input button. The password is warm. The light flashes once. Release the button. Long press password input button again. Enter the second password. The password is 7. The light flashes 7 times. Release the button. When all passwords are entered, the light will stay on. Long press password input button until the platform makes a light sound. The new key light will light up. Press the new key button twice. The matching is successful.